Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out how to lock your Facebook profile so that only your friends can see your posts, photos, and profile picture. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let me show you the simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Step 2. Tap on the gear icon next to Edit Profile to open Settings. Step 3. Scroll down until you see the option called Profile Locking. Step 4. Tap on Lock Profile and confirm. That's it. Your profile is now locked and strangers won't be able to see your posts or photos. Step 5. If you want to unlock your profile later, just repeat the same steps and choose Unlock Profile. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips.